the University of Auckland, one of New Zealand's largest university. We have 5,500 staff, 40,000 plus students. We're a city campus with multiple campuses in Auckland and other areas across the North Island. My team is a team of 400 odd staff operating from application development right the way through to service desk. Certainly innovation is the key to universities. Research outcomes, research impact is a research-led university, so that's something that we're always chasing. It is a large landscape, so we have 22,000 devices, 4,500 VMs, 27,000 mailboxes. There's a lot of run cost in that. Adjusting those ratios between run, growth and transform is a key area for us. Looking at our opportunities, both in terms of our organisation structure, but also in the support and maintenance costs associated with that very large environment, 1,200 applications. Where are the opportunities in there to reposition some of that investment into more of our growth and transform activities so that we can spend more resource on research, more resource on learning and teaching and on student outcomes. I think this is just the order of the day now, right? We really need to look at where we're spending costs, take a longer lens to things. Where do your business capability roadmaps look like? What does the application stack under that look like? And where you have time to pause and then reposition investment, I think that's just, I think we'll see more of that going forward. Obviously, there's a lot of investment that goes into running a university, and we're always looking at those administration and service division activities and just seeing where we can reposition some of that investment to the betterment of that research and learning and teaching. Service-wise with Rimini Street, look, I'm very happy. We have a monthly meeting where we review those service levels, and we recently had an issue around PCI compliance that Rimini Street very comfortably sewed up for us. So I think the relationship is there. It's working very well from a service point of view. Commercially, it's working very well. So yeah, very happy with it.